Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to get out of that creative block and get some inspiration. Coming off at number one, you're overthinking it. Just look around you. For example, your monitors, your mouse pad, books, anything is literally designed. So if you just look around you, just think about how it was designed and how you can put it into your own designs. One of the best things is to look at book covers. Book covers are amazingly designed and they're all unique to their own book. Coming in at number two is online inspiration. Now, online inspiration to any website you go to, it's designed one way or another. But what I'm talking about is Behance, Dribbble, Twitter, Pinterest, even YouTube videos. Behance is one of my favorite places to get inspiration, and I think that if you just scroll through the For You page, you'll find a lot of inspiration there alone. This is one of my favorite esports packages done. They have so many unique, cool designs, and they are all designed very, very well. Not only the concept of them, but the execution alone was fantastic on every single one of these designs. From the 3D to the Photoshop to the lighting, everything in this project was hands down amazing. This is one of my biggest things I view all the time when I'm low on inspiration, just because of how great of a job SSG did in 2022. Pinterest is another great website that I like to use and create my mood boards within. So all you would have to do is just search up what your niche is and just kind of make your own mood board there. Another great way to get inspiration is magazines. Now, you may be thinking magazines, like, they're so old. Who would read magazines anymore? But there is a lot of information and designs within a magazine that makes a magazine really, really interesting. And all you have to do is go to a local pharmacy or Target or Walmart, and you can just look through the magazines without even buying them. Coming in at number three, though, is getting some air. Now, getting some air, just go for a nice walk and just think to yourself what you would like to do. One way to think about it is niche down to your top three favorite designs or niches or whatever it is that you want to start with. And then once you do that, just figure out which one's your most favorite. And then on top of all that, going on a walk is great for your mental and physical health, which as a designer, we want to make sure we are keeping in check, or else our motivation and inspiration goes down. So we want to keep good physical and mental health. The last thing I have to talk about, which is the fourth thing, is collecting your inspiration and making a mood board out of it. If you make a mood board out of it, then every time you feel low or not inspired or maybe imposter syndrome or creator block, whatever it may be, you can always look at the mood board and think to yourself, wow, these are great designs, or I want to design this or that. And then another thing you could do with those mood boards is just pick out the things you like and dislike about the design, and then maybe you can either redesign that design or put the things that you do like in that design into your own designs and learn from the mistakes other designers make, and that'll help you grow as a designer as well. My favorite thing is to break down the design layer by layer, piece by piece, and learn from what other designers make. It really helps me get an understanding and grasp the design itself, and you can do that with every design out there. So there's so many ways you get inspiration and get out of your creative block and just love to design. I personally use Behance, Pinterest, and I just think of everywhere you go as a design. There is literally thousands of designs just laying in your room. So every time you look at anything, a logo, a wording, a font, any type of style, any type of design, just know, even your table, it may not have anything on it, but your table was designed to hold up your computer, for instance. Everything is designed in a way, you just have to change your mentality about it and think about, oh, well, this is designed and that's designed. Like, everything is designed, whether it's typography, a logo, a brand, anything. Everything is designed around you. So to find inspiration from that, on top of finding inspiration from amazing websites like Behance, Pinterest, YouTube, anything. But that concludes it for this video. If you guys made it all the way to the end, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching the whole video. Make sure you leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe, because we're on the road to 1K, baby. Also, you see this video right here? YouTube's telling you that you're going to want to watch that YouTube video next. So make sure you click it. Thanks for watching. Peace.